What's going on, guys? I'm excited to be bringing you the latest cinematic LUT pack, the Majestic cinematic LUT pack. Now this LUT pack features 18 cinematic presets and LUTs for you to be using. Each have been carefully crafted by myself and are sensational and versatile enough to be used on any footage that you can throw at it. Take your images to the next level, take your videos to the next level with this outstanding LUT pack. Since these just got released, I'm going to be doing a sale. If you end up using any of them, let me know in the comments below and I'd love to check them out. And if you know any photographers or videographers who might like or benefit from these LUTs, then send them this video. Peace.